And thank you once again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. As you can clearly see, this is one of our foote-Jones gearboxes. We did a total disassemble and remanufacture. The drive shaft had snaps, so we had to manufacture a new drive shaft to OEM specifications. Same Rockwell hardness. Reground the aluminum bronze gear. Warm gear had to have been retouched up. Obviously, all new bearings and seals from Timken. Our Timken bearing certified. Everything is put on with a bearing induction oven back there in that corner. Did a nice varnish on the inside. Cleaned out all the hollow bore areas, all the bearing wearing surfaces, and we are now beginning the reassembly process. We will reassemble all the original bearing floats with all the bearing preloads back to the OEM specs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. Thank you.